If you're having a party or a get together and you need a low carb appetizer, I've got just a recipe for you. Let me show you how to make it. Grab a large mixing bowl and add in 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 cloves of grated garlic, zest of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then mix to combine. Add in 16 ounces of lump crab meat, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh chives, and gently toss to combine. Transfer to your serving bowl, and it's ready to serve. Hi guys, I'm Julianne, Keto Cooking Christian, and you saw how easy that was to make. And I like to serve it just like this with a nice colorful blend of fresh veggies. And these are actually brand new crackers that I made. They're my Sesame Crackers, and they just have only 5 ingredients. So they're super easy to make. They're nice and crispy, and they stay that way. I'll link the recipe for that down below, and I actually did a video on them, so that'll be out soon as well. But this crab dip is delicious. You can prepare a day in advance, and I think your guests are going to absolutely love it. You can also customize this dip. You can change it up a little bit. If you don't have crab or you don't like crab, you can use smoked salmon. You can use shrimp. If you get shrimp and you chop it up real fine, you can use that. Just so many different ways you can serve this. And I like it just as is, and I think it makes a really pretty presentation, and my guests always love it. So let's dig in. Let's give it a try. And I like these little mini peppers. They're perfect for scooping, and they're nice and fresh, and really they don't take a lot of prep time. And again, you can prep these in advance. All of these vegetables you can prep in advance. So let's dig in. So delicious. Really nice, fresh and tender crab. And the crab meat, I like to actually buy it when it's on sale, because it can be a little bit pricey depending on where you buy it. I happened to get this one at Sam's, and it was on sale. And I like to load up. But again, you can customize this. You can even use lobster if you want, although I happen to really like it with the crab. But you do what you think your guests are going to enjoy, and what you're going to enjoy, of course. I hope you give this a try. And if you do, let me know down in the comments. And I will see you next time. And thanks for watching.